Starting. What's the exit?
Okay. I feel like I've been swerving.
Together, everyone, together. Figuring it out. We're made for holding you up. Disappearing when you wake up, but there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, knowing that tonight changes into something red.
Yeah, it's boat docking. Ew, I'm not going in there. Oh, absolutely not, Ava. Above your head. Feel like talking. See you guys in the morning.
Cornelia, you are one who will survive when time's been bad. Put smiles on everyone.
It's so pretty.
Think of you.
Oh my god.
And of all I should have done. You told me the thing would shape or form that you're in. The place you're from, the wealth of the color of your skin. And all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late. You wonder why. Every day is a struggle in the stride.
What are you wearing today?
Don't you agree with beating hearts still alive? There comes a time when all you have is who you love. And Cornelia, you'll be all I'm thinking of. You told me the thing would shape or form that you're in. The place you're from, the wealth or the color of your skin. And all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late, and you wonder why. Cornelia.
What are you doing over here? So I haven't said anything, but Ava and I decided that we wanted to drive to New York City in the bus. Well, things have been going wrong. The wipers don't turn off, the sink's not working. But last night we were driving through the storm, and then we are in like Lock Haven, Pennsylvania, and then we're at Bald Eagle State Park. And it's really pretty here. Tobias is right behind us, chilling. Oh, I wish Ernie was here. He'd be so annoying right now. It'd be awesome. Everybody here is built different though. They're literally like wake up at 6 a.m. and start swimming. This is our second man we saw swimming. Pulling their spouse.
One guy was pulling his wife on a kayak while he was swimming. There's crows, which is really ominous. Okay, that's all though. We'll see you guys later.
Hey everybody, so we're still at Bald Eagle State Park. Just having such a good time driving through these little towns. And where we slept last night, it's literally just like a boat docking station. It was so peaceful. It was this little town that when we were driving through it at night, we didn't stop driving until like 9:30, 10 last night. So while we're driving through this little town, it looked like abandoned and super spooky. I've just realized that like the unknown in darkness, everything looks scary, because this morning it was literally the most beautiful, pretty town I've ever seen. Ava is like washing up in the bathroom right now because we're at the beach, so they have like little showers and stuff. So I think we're gonna drive like an hour to the next state park. It's only noon. We woke up at 6 a.m. because we had the fan running on us last night, and then the battery ran out of power, the solar panel did. So my battery started beeping at 6 a.m. when the fan turned off, so I got out of the car and had to like go under the hood, or go under the bus and turn off the battery, which was annoying, and then I was up at 6. I mean, it was a nice like early start to the day. Okay everyone, I just want to prove that I'm checking my oil.
Look at that.
She's hot as frick.
Look at her.
Oh, we're still good. Hi everybody, fit checks. I wore this yesterday. I wear these pants. Help. He said our car didn't make it either. Bye.
And oops.
Ouch! Hot.
Here she go. What happened?
It's the spotted lantern.
It's the spotted lantern plot. Oh no.
If you find it, do this.
Oh no. We just done got caught by the spotted lantern. Really good shot, to be honest. You kind of look like you're in an advertisement. Yes.
You got a fast car. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Oh, any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. But me, myself, I got nothing to prove.
Hey everybody! I don't know if you guys can tell, but we're not stinky girls anymore. So a lot of things happened today. You guys saw that Toby overheated. I think I already said that on the camera. I can't remember. Toby overheated. We didn't make it up this mountain, so we couldn't go to like one of the state parks we wanted to go to. But then getting back to like just on the trail that we were originally going on just took some time, and then Ava and I realized we were dying, so we stopped and got food at this diner, and then we were like, I'm not joking, like last brain cell energy. It was last brain cell energy. We were not running on anything, and we were like, okay, we need to shower. So we looked up a shower, and there was a truck stop, like shower stop, literally 2 minutes away. So we were like, okay, whatever. Ava was like, okay, whatever. I was like, I'm not sure about this. I didn't really know. But Ava was like, I'm showering.
I'm stanky.
Yeah, so Ava wanted to shower. She went in, and then she got some sus vibes. So she called me, and I went in to like just be a buddy, and then we were like, okay, it's safe, whatever. The like lady checking us in was nice. Ava showered, she came out, and after I saw that they were like clean, excuse me, ghost. After I saw they were clean, I was like, okay, I'm gonna shower. So I took footage for you guys in there. It was like a TA rest stop, and it was honestly really nice, $15. So then we decided we were gonna sleep here tonight because we're just gonna give Toby a little rest. We have 3 hours till we're back, or till we're in New York tomorrow. Can't talk. And we're staying at a campsite there. That'll be really exciting to show you guys. I did kind of feel like I was in a horror movie during the shower though, because mine got so steamy in there. Was yours steamy?
Yeah.
The
went everywhere.
Yeah. So I did feel like horror movie vibes.
And I kept checking the door handle to make sure nobody was trying to open it.
There was a lot going on.
So scared.
I was scared, but like I wasn't.
I was just scared that even though I checked the lock 5 times, somehow someone was gonna just open the door and see me naked. I was more scared about someone just walking in on me
Accidentally?
naked than like, yeah.
I was scared of like someone coming in and like trying to hurt me and kill me. Don't leave your horror stories about truck stops below. I don't want to hear it because honestly for me it was a 9 out of 10 experience. I'd do it again.
Honestly, super clean bathroom.
Super clean. They had like towels for you to use, a bar of soap, but
Like not
didn't
a
use
speck of mold or
it. No,
dust
it was so clean.
or anything.
I'd say just 9 out of 10 because when I was checking in, there's this guy behind me and the lady was like checking me in to go use the shower and she was telling me like how to get into the shower and then she like got really close and started whispering after she like looked behind me at the guy, and Ava had just an experience too with just
Yeah, if you're only girls, just be on your
toes.
A-game.
Yeah.
Just be aware. Like everybody knows, but well, a little scary.
I'm not going to recommend it to anybody. Don't leave horror stories down below. I know there's some. I know there's plenty. Also, there's a severe thunderstorm warning again, but
We're so cozy.
Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking, they say they look my
we're going to New York City, everybody. And Ava's pores are screaming. Driving in your bus, speed so slow. I felt like the engine burst. Ava's mad at me because I made the wrong turn and I took us into New York City under the water and added 30 minutes to our drive.
I'm triggered.
I thought I was gonna cry when we were getting back, and I didn't think we were gonna be able to go under the water again.
It's like I've never had to pee so
Under, like, by the engine, because the engine's right at the front.
Yeah.
And I could feel the heat radiating
Yeah,
to my
it's so
feet.
fucking hot.
I was like, ooh. Pop, if you're watching this, everything's fine though.
I kept putting my feet down and I was like, this thing is gonna blow up.
Yeah. Hi friends. Look at behind us, that is New York City, or so we're told. We're taking a ferry right now to the city, but we missed the last one because we were getting beautified. We were on the Jersey Turnpike, Jersey Turnpiking. At the city, we pinching it. Wow. We were just there.
I think we came to New York City in a bus.
Hey everybody. I don't know how I should be sitting. So we went out all day, walked 13,000 steps, and then we were like, okay, let's come back, watch an episode of Love Island, change our outfits, and then we're gonna go back out for the night. People I wanted to meet up with in New York City, but they're like all out of town. And then I wanted to see Adrian too, but I'm just really bad at like making plans. And I didn't tell anybody I was coming, and I just kind of told them the day I was here, but also Ava and I didn't really know what we were doing. We drove here in a bus, so it was like we didn't know what day we were gonna come, so I didn't want to tell somebody I was gonna be here a day and just not, and make plans. I just don't like making
We didn't
plans.
even know if we would make it into the city.
Quite honestly, I didn't think we were gonna make it into the city. But Ava doesn't think she meets dress code, but there is no dress code.
I think you're gonna fall asleep on the rooftop.
Are you really that tired? You need a hot dog.
Maybe.
Ava wants a photo on the film camera with a hot dog in one hand and a cigarette. Once we get you a pack of cigarettes, you'll be happy. We did see a man with a bucket of crabs. And he was showing them to all the little kids, and he let like one walk around loose on the sidewalk. He put it on a leash and started walking it down the sidewalk. New York. It wasn't in New York though, it was in New Jersey. If you ever want a road trip to New York City, stay at Liberty RV Park. She cute. The front desk lady is a delight. Pants, Depop. Boots, eBay. Tube top, Depop.